This is Pomo, a minimalist Pomodoro timer. It was an idea I had for the last 4 years, but I finally was able to bring it to life. But the journey had its highs and lows, and luckily I had this device to save the day. You see, I knew I could cat it up and make it look pretty, but there was one thing that stood in the way of me creating my dream device: the code. I don't know how to program. Anyways, I decided to move to San Francisco to work on this idea. I booked a flight, got to my room, and got straight to work. As I started making new connections, I met Conrad. He had worked on LED projects before, so he knew exactly how to do the things that I lacked the skills in. So we started working. As I improved the design, he was working on the code. Boom, we got the first iteration done, and soon after we got the second one done as well. But after all that work, it still wasn't quite there. As a designer, I really cared about the small details, but the costs were adding up and the expected shipping day kept delaying. Until one day, it all came crashing down when Conrad became too busy with work and school and asked to step down. At this point, I wasn't quite sure what to do. Will I have to learn all these skills on my own, or will I have to hire someone else? That's where I met Kevin and Tianki. They were both hardware experts working in the industry for years. And now they were building a brand new product, an AI computer that helps inventors like me create hardware products. To be honest, I didn't understand it at first. Why would I need a device when I can just go to ChatGPT? So that's exactly what I started doing. My first time vibe coding. I copy-pasted my code into ChatGPT and asked it to make some changes. After a few tries, it worked, and I was amazed by the technology. But I soon realized how annoying it was to use. It was a struggle keeping the code organizing, going back and forth, copy-pasting between ChatGPT and Arduino IDE, and I had to manually upload the code each time. It would also lose context and hallucinate. And that's where Tianki shared with me his device. He simply connected the device to my device and prompted it upload the code given the specs of my board. And the device automatically downloaded any software and drivers and automatically detected the port it was connected to and uploaded the code seamlessly. It was so simple and easy to use. From there, I kept telling it to make changes anywhere from the various break modes to the animations. It was an easy plug-and-play system where I can keep everything managed in one place. As soon as I was happy with the code, I shipped the product to customers. I had posted a demo video of my device on X and it got some traction. I assembled the devices, packaged them up, walked over to the post office, and finally made my dream into a reality. This was the story of how this device helped me bring my idea into life. Now with this new unlock, I realized how easy it is to make products, and I quickly made another one in just 1 week. Subscribe for that video coming out soon.